Let me tell you a story. A woman walks into a family gathering. She's educated, she's financially independent, she's kind, she's thoughtful. But before anyone asks, how are you? Are you happy? What are you working on? One question that comes right in first and is given so much importance is, why are you divorced? Not what happened or not are you okay, just why. And suddenly that one word, divorced, becomes louder than everything else in that gathering. Now, did you notice something here? Mostly, people don't ask divorced men this question, and definitely they don't use the same tone. I'm sure no one assumes that his character needs explanation, right? Then, why is it that a woman's divorced life is public audit? One of the most important life skills is you are not the worst thing that happened to you. Marriage is an event, divorce is an event. Neither defines character or values or worth. Yet, for women, divorce is treated like permanent identity. It's almost like a warning label. So many questions are not curiosity, they are judgment disguised as concern. Couldn't you adjust? Did you try hard enough? Don't you think about what people will say? These questions silently suggest endurance is virtue even if it costs your peace. Now, unlearning this is a life skill for families, for communities, and for women themselves. What we don't talk about enough is this: leaving a marriage often requires emotional courage, financial risk, social backlash, and starting over, right? It requires all of these things, and that is not weakness, that is resilience. And sometimes divorce is not the breaking of a woman, it's the moment she chooses herself. Now, here's a powerful social life skill I want you all to know. Just because you need to ask a question doesn't mean you should. I'm sure all of you would have heard and thought of better questions like, how are you doing now? What support do you need? Or simply nothing at all. Please remember that silence can be respectful. Now, the woman from the beginning of the story, she didn't lose her values when she was divorced. She didn't lose her dignity. She didn't become dangerous, broken, or incompetent, or even incomplete. The only thing that she lost was her marriage, that too, which was totally useless, and she's not lost her worth. So, maybe the real question that you need to ask is, why is she divorced? But why do we still think that it is our business? Divorce is not a curse, my dear friends. Judgment is. I repeat, divorce is not a curse. Judgment is. Now, if this resonated with you, share it with someone else who needs to hear this, or someone who needs to rethink these questions that they keep asking. And let me tell you, life skills are not only about success, it is also about being kind.